Quilting Mayhem Makers. I am Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and once again, I have sucked poor Debbie in to play along on our video, because of course she's in charge of machines. And today, as part of our What's New Wednesday, we're doing what I'm calling a last call. So we have some kind of one-off in machines and in kits that we wanted to kind of feature because we don't want you to miss out. If it's something you've kind of been looking for and you want a special deal on it, that's what we've got going on today, except for this lovely panel. This is absolutely new. It just came in the store, and it was just too cute not to feature. This is from Clothworks, and there is a whole fabric collection that goes with it. So Halloween Parade has this lovely panel, and then there's a border print and some other things that go with it. And it's too stinking cute. And remember, you can go to our website, so go to quiltingmayhem.com. Go under shop, click What's New Wednesday, and it will show you everything kind of live going on. You can click on images, and it'll give you more information and prices, all those kinds of things of what we're showing today. So that's what we're doing. We're back to Wednesday. I'm back from Chicago from H&H, which was, oh my gosh, that was so much fun. That's going to bring you all kinds of new, but I'm waiting for some of those goodies to come. So don't worry. Coming down the road is a lot of fun stuff that came from H&H out of Chicago. But we want to talk machines first because May is, anniversary month, birthday month. We do all kinds of specials and celebrations. And we do have a couple machines that were limited in stock and they're on sale. They have specials. So that's why we brought Debbie with us today.
Well, what we have here today is the Bernina 570 Cape Edition. And with that one, it's $500 off. And then you also get some gifts with purchases with that. It also comes with the embroidery module. Then we have the Bernina L460 serger. And that one is going to come with some special pricing. You'll have to come into the store and find out what that is. And comes with a free trolley. The other machine we have is a Bernina 735. That's one of the larger machines. But what's nice about that one is that with a lot of our quilters, they like to have that 5.5 millimeter stitch width. So that one is $400 off. And then we have the Bernina 590. And that one, we just have 2 in stock. And that comes with embroidery. And that's $700 off. And then, we have a lot of machines that we do have in stock that we're just not able to mention all of them right now. But with the machine purchases in the store, you also get your machine mastery classes and then some other Mayhem bonus gifts.
All the Mayhem bonus gifts. So all our machines come with 3 months of free goodies, depending on which machine will depend on what you get. And they do. They range from fabric and batting and thread because we do want you to use your machine when you first get it and take it home. We want you to take your master classes. We want you to use your machine and know how it works. We don't want to hear that it's still sitting in a box somewhere or you're scared to touch it. So we do give you a free product to do test with it, whether it's making small pouches or like if it's a long arm, we want you just to practice free motion, just whatever it is for whatever machine is to help encourage you to actually use that machine, love that machine, call us with questions. And we figured if you're using stuff you didn't pay for, it's a lot easier for you to be like, oh, it doesn't matter. If I messed up on that, who cares? I didn't pay for that fabric or I didn't pay for that thread, right? But it gets you to actually use it. And that's what we're trying to encourage with the Mayhem promo. And that's one of the special things you get just with us, along with, of course, all of us employees to help you and be there for you. You definitely get the Mayhem team when you buy a machine with us, along with those classes and free cleanings, all that kind of stuff.
Right, so call us up. You got a question. We're happy to answer that question for you. And if we don't have the answer, we'll try and find out what that answer is.
Absolutely. Yeah. So, so all our machines do come with some sort of special this month. We've got just a whole variety of them, but we just want to make sure some of these that we have very limited stock that you snatch up super quick, so you don't have to wait for us to order that kind of stuff. Because some of these, it'll take a while because they don't have them in stock in Bernina either.
Yeah.
Otherwise, kits. Grab and go. We love kits because it's easy. You don't have to think. We like not thinking, right? So I'm just going to show some of the fun kits that we have. And most of these, because they are kind of the last one, do have kind of a sale price for you guys just to make sure they go home with somebody else and make make you happy in whatever the project may be. And one of the ones we have, and we have a variety of these, but this one is super fun. It comes with a Villa Rosa pattern, which we love these patterns. We have hundreds of them. And they're like $3 patterns, super easy to make. I mean, you can make these like in a day or two. And we're doing the Villa Rosa blind date featuring these patterns. So this is just a QM employee curated bundle. So it's using just some fun, colorful fabrics. It's got the background, so it's got everything you need to make that quilt top. And so if you're looking for something that maybe you're tired of the projects you're working on, we know how that goes, and you just need a refresh, this is a great grab and go, and it's at one of those nice lower price points. All right.
I love those fabrics.
Our employees, they do really good. Oh, that one, oh, poor Gage. Kona coordinates, yes. Poor Gage. One of these days we're going to get him on camera, but he tries to sit behind the scenes and try to keep up with us. We love you for that. Anu, this is the one that was prepackaged from Wyndham. Tamara Kate is the designer, and it makes, oh my gosh, these adorable moths. I love it. The pattern's called Winged. And so once again, everything to make that quilt top. And
Yeah.
And so you want to grab them before they're gone because we don't have much left, or a lot of these are just last ones. Mesa Stars. This is using really lovely like floral prints, and then it's got coordinates, and it comes with a pattern and this reusable Mayhem pouch. A lot of our kits have this lovely reusable pouch. That's great for keeping all your supplies together.
I love these pouches because I can have whatever I'm working with, I can take it with me. Sometimes if you're doing handwork.
Oh yeah, they're great for handwork or just keeping your project together. And then we have even bigger project bags. We love these. This is definitely a last one. So this is the Witchy Sampler. This was a local pattern designer, and this is a custom curated fabric bundle also to go with it. And once again, this reusable Mayhem project pouch. But I love this. And this designer, she's adorable. We love supporting our local people. So that was one we had in store. This one comes Jingle Bells. Who doesn't love Jingle Bells? So, winter magic. Start your Christmas projects early. You don't even have to wait for July. Why not start in May? Christmas in May. Because it's really sad. Our Christmas fabric is starting to roll in already.
Wow.
So why? I don't know why it's Christmas in July when we have to start taking it in May.
Wow.
So definitely this is a fun one.
What a great pattern that is.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. So if you like that kind of Nordic snowflake look.
Yeah.
And this fabric collection is adorable. And it all coordinates to make that project. And it's on sale. So you can even start your Christmas projects early and at a discount. Even better. Let's see. Parallel Forest. This is one that is yardage. So this has Northcott fabrics in it, featuring a really adorable bear. I don't know if you can see him. He's kind of peeking out in there. But it's a fun panel project. It's got little trees. We have had samples hanging here in the store. And it's just...
The colors are wonderful.
Every time Northcott puts out these kind of watercolory scenes, we love them. We seem to bring them all. We've had Stallion. We have the horse panel that also goes with it. We've had, I think, eagles and you name it. They do great kind of Pacific Northwest prints. And so we have two versions of Parallel Forest. One is with a panel. One is with running yardage. Both of them have a bear. So there's Bigger Bear. And he's adorable, once again, in that project pouch and on sale, which we love. And then for true Snohomish people, where are my true Snohomish, my farmers? Portraits is what this one is called. And so it's got a farm-type panel that's in the center, and it's got some window of some prints. And so you can kind of see we got the pigs here in this project pouch. This is one of our kind of medium-sized pouches. And this wood grain, I love.
Yeah.
We can't keep wood grain in stock. People love that.
Very nice.
So those are, anybody that needs kind of a farm quilt, or somebody that has farm that might need a farm quilt. It's perfect. This one, Journey Home. So this is also Northcott. And so this one has a panel in the middle. We'll see if you can kind of see it. And this one was supporting some Native American designers. This was for a really good cause. And we're down to like one of these. So you want to scoop this up. Great, just kind of basic coordinates. And remember, you may just get it because it's on sale and you like the fabric and you don't even have to do that project. You can always do something else with it. Get creative. Because I've been known to do that. I'm like, oh, I like the pretty fabric, but I don't want to do that project. And that fabric goes to something else, which is dangerous. We have pre-cut kits. So we had for a while some RV studios where the kit itself is pre-cut. So all the squares and everything are cut, ready to go.
Oh, like that's amazing.
Like, take it out of the package and sew.
And start sewing.
Just start
Oh my
sewing.
God.
So if you hate cutting
Hold on.
and you want to, I know, look at this may end up in Debbie's shopping cart. You gotta beat Debbie for this. Oh, what's this one? Exotic Splendor.
There it is.
There it is. There it is. But those are always fun because you open up the package, you just start sewing. We also have one of our Cafe kits from when Cafe was here. We're getting to the end of all his stuff that we made. And this is just all lovely Cafe fabrics. And then it makes another Villa Rosa called Helix. So this is a lot of fun. And another project bag. Like I said, if you like Cafe and maybe you don't want that pattern, you just want some nice classic Cafe.
Yeah.
There you go. Scoop it up on sale.
Okay.
And get a project pouch.
That's right.
All the project pouches.
My husband says I don't bring a paycheck home.
I don't. We don't know what she's talking about here. And we have a Tula Pink. So for all my Tula fans, This is the last one. This is the Rise and Shine. So this is using one of her older collections from Moon Garden. So if anything, if maybe you did not get on the train of Tula when Moon Garden was out, this is definitely a great way to get some of her older fabric that I'm sure increases in value as you keep it. So bare minimum, it's great just for the fabric, but it's this cute diamond pattern, which I kind of love. It's unique. You don't see as many diamond patterns as you do stars and squares and four patches, all that kind of stuff.
That and so they see all the different fabrics that are in there.
So much fabric. So much fabric. Oh, apparently we have some glare. And it does. So it has some of the true colors plus the prints, some solids. This is heavy.
It's heavy.
You can do some damage with that guy.
Ooh.
So. And then another one-off that I found as I was walking up here is a panel. So this is the Legendary Journeys. So this is one of our newer dragon panels. We just got it in not that long ago, and this is already the last one. So if you saw this collection, it's kind of got Celtic knots. We can take it. All right. Show the good stuff. But it's a fun dragon, and we do still have coordinates for it. This just happens to be the last panel. Upside down. That's the talent I have. Upside down. All the different characters, dragons, you name it. So if that is your thing, you want to scoop it up because this is it. We will not be getting any more in. And I know there's a lot of things we get in and people are like, are you going to get more? And we're kind of a one and done for a lot of collections. So our collections themselves, just to keep in mind, if you're newer to us, are very one and done. We bring it in. If it sells out, it's gone. We don't bring it back. A lot of times it's not available anymore with the fabric company. Or we have so much that we're moving on to. We have hundreds of bolts that come in every month. So we're just always trying to make room for new. And so we're kind of like Costco. If you see it, you better grab it.
Yeah.
Could you go back next week and it may be gone, and we just can't get more because we're moving on. All the next good stuff, like we said, we gotta make room for Christmas. So much Christmas is coming, and the Halloween that's been coming, and oh my gosh. Besides all the other good stuff, we got Tula Pink's Roar in this month, or last month, I guess. I forgot it's May already. But in the last couple of weeks, and all those kinds of things. And we have Cafe that comes in, and boutiques that come in, and we gotta make room for all the new stuff. So go catch all those goodies, those last ones, scoop them up before they're gone.
And I just wanted to make one last mention. Friday, if you haven't already put your deposit down on the new mystery machine that Bernina has coming out, the 990, we're taking $1,000 deposits for those. That gets your number in line. So we make those deposits to Bernina on Friday, or the orders, I should say. So make sure you get your deposit in. They're coming in, so make sure you get yours in line.
Well, and you're essentially getting in queue to be one of the first for the machines, because after they start this, then it just becomes part of the general order. And then who knows when those machines will come. Yeah. So if you're one of those first, you're definitely guaranteed to be in the top of the list of when they get distributed out to vendors or to us vendors. And then it's from there. So
Bernina has some really fabulous things that they aren't really sharing yet, but what they're going to be doing. So this is a really big deal. So,
and we may have some cool stuff that we're going to do for those of you that decide to jump on the 990 bandwagon.
Yeah.
We may have a special event coming for you guys, and even some special swag of our own for you. So you'll only get it from us, and we'll treat you right, because that big machine is, she's going to be pretty, and she's going to do a lot of things. And so we're excited to see that. We haven't had a new top of the line in quite a while.
Ooh, a long time.
Yeah, long time. So we're excited for it. If you need more information, give us a call. I know some of you Bernina people have been seeing those teasers, and it's already made you super anxious as to what's coming. So feel free to call us, ask more questions. We may not have answers because they're not telling us either. But we do have maybe a few more answers than what those little teasers are showing. So give us a call, get on the list, and we'll keep you informed as to what's going on with that. Otherwise, hopefully you're having a lovely Wednesday. It's actually sunny out here in Washington. Oh my gosh, the rain is maybe going away for a little bit.
A few days.
Just a few days. I know. I do like rainy season because that makes it quilty season. But,
yes.
But otherwise, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy your day, and keep on stitching.